Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, backup camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.